Hello, I'll be presenting my opinion piece about the topic that I have chosen. Issue. Should the government reduce the funding to food banks and invest more in fixing the system and solve poverty instead? The government should not cut food bank funding, as many people still depend on them. But more investment should go toward fixing the root causes of poverty, like low wages and housing costs, so fewer people need food banks in the future. It's about helping now and building a better system long term. This is, while food banks help in emergencies, the government should focus on long term solutions like affordable housing, fair wages, and healthcare to reduce dependence and tackle the root causes of food insecurity. Reasons. Long-term solution can actually reduce poverty and hunger. Investing in affordable housing, better wages, access to education, and healthcare can help people out of poverty, reducing their need to rely on food banks. This lasting solution empower individuals to meet their own needs and break the cycle of food insecurity. Changes in the system can help solve and benefit more than just hunger relief. Addressing the root causes of poverty, like low income, inequality, and lack of social support, can improve overall quality of life. These changes don't just reduce hunger, they also promote better health, economic stability, and stronger communities. Food banks treat hunger, but not causes. Food banks provide immediate relief, but they don't fix why people are hungry in the first place. Without tackling the issues like low wages and high living costs, the need for food banks will continue to grow. Rhetorical appeals. Logical appeals. In this way, I can provide facts, evidence, data, and reasoning to show how changing the system can be a solution and more effective than food banks alone. Emotional appeal. Share stories that a human only relies on food banks. Make the audience feel the empathy and connects the readers to the issue. Ethical appeal. Build trust with the readers in a way that my argument is well informed, calling for solution for a better and fairer system. For the people, fairness and justice. Opinion piece. Food banks were originally meant for emergencies, but over time, they have become a regular lifeline for many people who can't afford food. The rising use of food banks, even in wealthy areas like Ontario, highlights the growing issue of food insecurity. People aren't going hungry because food doesn't exist. They are hungry because they can't afford it due to low income, high living costs, unstable jobs, and lack of social support. While food banks provide important short term help, but they don't address the root causes. To truly solve this crisis, we need to change the system to ensure everyone has the means to live with dignity, stability, and enough to eat.